Hey guys, I made a winter scene for Christmas decor. I used wood for the base. I marked it 1.5 inches from the ends, then 3 inches apart a couple of times. I used dowels and this wire, which was about the same thickness. At first, I used a 1/8 inch drill bit to make the holes. But the dowels didn't fit, so I used the next size up. Then I made my scene. Draw and cut out trees or find images online to make whatever scene you want. There's probably a better way to do this, but I drew everything out, separated them by colors, and made 2 of everything for the front and back. Then cut them out. Glue all the parts together. Then wrapped it with yarn. Next, glue the pieces together. I added snowflakes to the arch. I painted the base white. And here's how it turned out.